shit, I can't get out. Fuck. Okay, back out. Just back out. Just back out. Back out.
Ends. Its value. Yes.
Let us leave.
Okay, we gotta go back to base and fight.
Well done.
Yeah, they're all going to base now.
Oh,
Yeah, no.
your core is under attack.
We're gonna lose our core. Let's kill it. We gotta kill it fast as we can. Burn all your cooldowns. All your cooldowns. Okay, we can't let them hit it once more.
Okay, well they're right here.
I know. We can't fight them all like right away. Yeah.
I don't know. I tried to get out this time.
They're gonna win. Damn it. Oh, that was intense.
Shall we try again?
Yeah, who would have thought PCs would kick ass?
Well, like I said, it's hardest difficulty.
It's all good. At least we put up sort of a fight. If this was a hard difficulty on StarCraft, it wouldn't have stood a chance.
Dude, I know. That's what's funny about it, but yeah. Okay.
Fuck, can't wait for Star Wars.
Same here.
I know.
It's gonna be sweet.
What movie theater are you guys gonna go to?
I don't know.
I don't know. Probably the one here.
Violet Crown? Or just Regal?
Just regular, Ryan. Which one are you gonna go to?
I really want to go to the Violet Crown and drink and watch it. That'd be awesome.
Well, if you want to go to the Violent Crown, then I'll go with you because I don't want to. I mean, I don't really want to go alone. So.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'd be down because that'd be cool. Star Wars. So everyone's saying so far the only person they haven't showed is Luke Skywalker.
They've showed him.
They've showed him.
Oh my god, they showed him so many
really?
times. He's the old man.
I know. And everyone keeps
He's
thinking
the
that
one
they
that's
haven't
by
seen him.
R2.
Well, no, there's
Yeah.
actually one of the trailers that actually shows him like perfectly, like he
Yeah, it
actually,
actually shows his face.
like it shows every
They're
like
so stupid on
yeah,
the news. That's funny. They're so dumb on the news.
yeah, it actually shows him like it shows him like get up and walk forward, and he even like pulls his cloak back, and then you see his face and everything.
Yeah.
It's funny that people think that they haven't shown him. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, and that was on the news. Yeah, wait, hold on. I want to get this costume real quick.
You're funny.
Oh, that was weird. I got like a cold chill. Okay, I'm ready now.
I stand ready.
Jesse, it's because I'm by you. Hello. Just kidding.
Hello. You're
I've been
stupid.
watching. Just kidding. See, can I do his costumes?
Do you know what? Actually, give me a sec. I'm gonna lower the volume real quick because like
Guys, I look so stupid, but it's hilarious.
the volume was kind of loud when I was playing the game, and I couldn't really hear Gabe. It was like really retarded.
Ah, dude, this guy's so buff, it's like disgusting.
Dude, but he's fat buff though. I mean, because
Yeah.
you can tell because he has a belly and everything.
He does, but he's still pretty ripped. Like, in order to even see your muscles from being that fat, like, he still has to have not that much fat. You know what I mean? In order to even see your arms like that,
Yeah.
because that's hard, dude. Like,
Well, he's also a Marine though, so that's like like all that shit. So we don't know, dude.
that's true. Yeah, he is also.
Well, I mean, it could also just be your belly.
Well, he also is probably getting
gloves.
those arms from carrying that gun. It also looks like he has implants. Oh, that's a tattoo. It's like it looks like implants. Ugh, look at his neck too. He's so buff. It's
I know.
gross.
Look at his like belly button, dude. Look at it's all scarred up and everything. It's so gross.
Yeah. It never made sense to me how Liz makes these guys bellies, but yet they have like a big old buff ass
So
back.
I'll
and
be a
shit. It's
support.
Like,
Okay.
oh, that's cool. Did you just buy her or what?
I've had her for a while. Well, I bought her today, but I mean, I bought her, what's it called? Bella and, I can't even remember the other character's name.
Sylvanas?
Sylvanas, yeah.
Yeah. She's actually pretty
and then
nice
I bought
support.
I bought the Paladin girl. I forgot her
Yeah.
name.
Yeah, I forgot her name too.
Yeah, but yeah, that's what the characters are about.
Marina,
well, I'm
you get-
ready if you guys are.
Yeah, oh, I clicked ready. I don't know what the hell happened. There we go.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, we're on opposite side. Oh, that's very interesting.
Oh, cool, I'm level 5. I didn't realize that.
It's level 15. God damn it.
Shut up, guys. You're still higher level than I am. With me, with my little pony. Oh, I didn't get my pony this time.
Oh shit.
What the fuck is a gigantic clown? That's scary.
Okay, I'm gonna go down. I forgot what map is it.
Oh,
Oh, it's the crystal.
I don't know. I'm going up.
I'm going bot.
Actually,
Murray
know where I
should
should go.
Murray should pair up with someone that's at least Mally. Murray, go up, go up. Pair up with
Okay, yeah, that's-
Morden, or whatever his name
Ha!
is.
Did
That's
I
what I
ride
was
my
gonna
my mount with no hands? Do you guys see this? I have no hands on this guy right now.
That's funny.
I have no
Nice.
reins. Where do you want me to go? Bottom? Yeah,
You can go bot with me, Gabe.
I'll go bottom. What the heck? This guy's a fucking pimp all riding his thing without even holding reins, dude. Do you hold reins? You
Yeah.
see how I'm riding this?
He's just like, I'm badass.
Yeah, what the heck?
Okay. Holy shit.
Oh,
Gabe,
shit,
what are you doing?
Holy crap. I don't know, but I kind of damaged them really well, so
Yeah,
I
no,
forgot
we did pretty much jump. Okay, push back. We need to get these crystals. Okay, go bottom.
Yes, I see.
Shit. Damn it. Oh, damn it. I should have actually just rolled to the right.
Dude, that was
really,
crazy.
Gabe?
I didn't know he had that ability. I wish I
Yeah.
knew. That's another thing. If you learn about enemies, it's a lot easier to know what's gonna happen. Like, if I get too close, I'm gonna get into his range where he does that thing where he hits you 5 times.
Well, you have to pay attention. If they start like being aggressive and passing our units, that means they're gonna do a roll or some type of attack.
Yeah.
Especially if you see both of them going towards you, that means something's gonna happen. You have to pay attention like that.
As you wish.
I remember last summer I was like obsessed with this game. I played it so much and then I stopped. So I'm such a high level. Well, I'm not even that high, but
Stay behind him, allies. Okay, I gotta grab this.
well, the guy that I have is pretty down.
Oh my god! Oh, thank goodness I dodged that. Holy shit.
holy crap, it was crazy.
I almost died. I actually have to
no.
go all the way back to base. I can't stay here. Gabe, pull back.
Through here.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Yeah.
Stay with the enemy, your guys.
Bitch. Fuck you, Dark Elf. Piece of shit. I mean, Blood Elf. I mean, Undead Elf. Thing. Whatever the fuck
Great,
you
my
are,
partner left
Sylvanas.
me.
I'm training in crystals.
Swift and silent.
I don't know why, dude, but when I was watching the Pearl Harbor movie,
Bot's
it was
missing.
making it's making my testosterone boil, dude. I was like, oh my god.
Gabe,
I
go
gotta
turn
join the
in.
military.
Go turn in things.
Just kidding. Okay.
I'm dead. And I just picked up a ton of crystals, and now they're all gone.
Yeah, if you get more than 4 or 5, you need to turn them in.
Well, I know, but I can't really do that much when the guy I'm with is taking off like a freaking coward.
Dude, the most I've seen was like 30. It was stupid.
Yeah, that's retarded. Okay. Back up.
So dude, I'm gonna start taking Krav Maga on the side.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna be an ultimate ball kicker.
Gabe, pick up the crystals. Oh, it's gonna be hilarious. Okay, we need to help out mid. Let's back up, back up, back up.
Okay.
Over here, just go. Turn those in real quick.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Let us move.
Shit. Let's grab her. Shit.
She's dead. Watch.
Oh, I got her.
Crap. So many stones. So many stones.
Okay, let's go turn them in. Go turn them in.
Yes.
I only have 2 though.
I have 2, you have 2. That's enough.
I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save
Oh, wait,
it.
yeah,
Got it.
yeah. Let's go down. Let's go down. Go down. Idiot.
I have a horrible partner.
Get their health thing. That's what we should focus on. Oh shit. Okay, back up.
Oh shit, Friday the 13th. Oh shit! Friday the 13th is Jason, right?
No, that's Michael Moore, isn't it?
Is it Michael Moore?
That was.
Dude, Jason and Michael Moore would be the funniest, like, bad guy fight ever. He's so hilarious.
Dude,
Jason.
that'd be recent. No, because Michael Moore can die. Jason can.
Yeah, but he'll miss comes back,
the
though.
13th is Jason.
I thought that was Michael Moore.
Michael Moore is
Yes, I
Halloween.
see.
No, I
Oh
think
yeah,
it's
yeah,
Michael-
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, Michael Moore is Halloween. Yeah, that's true.
But Michael Moore does come back, though. He's been killed a lot of times.
Oh shit, spiders on their side.
They would be funny because they're both like gigantic dudes with like stupid masks. They'd just be like stabbing each other really slowly.
Yeah.
Swift and silent.
It'd be the worst movie ever. Because they wouldn't run away from each other. They would just be like attacking each other the whole time. It's so stupid.
Watch out, spiders here.
You got the spider on their side.
Yep. We just have to kill her as fast as we can.
I depart.
Just focus on her, don't even focus on them. Shit! Fucker! Oh my god, pushed me back so far. Who activated that?
Me.
Oh shit.
Oh cool, we're invisible.
Well, if you
We're
stay
not.
invisible, it heals you, but if you, yeah, if you leave.
Yeah, it's ruined.
Fucking no. That's the first time I ever did it.
Gabe, you're gonna activate your ult attack. Damn it. Don't just activate your ult and leave. Okay, we have to back up. Yeah.
You get all the stones. Oh my god! They just took 7 stones.
Dude, I